Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best propane tank gauge is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who relies on propane for their home, grill, or recreational activities, ensuring you never run out of gas at a critical moment and providing peace of mind whether you're hosting a barbecue, heating your home, or enjoying a camping trip, making it an indispensable tool for efficient and safe propane management. Number 5. SHINESTAR Upgraded Propane Tank Gauge, 2-pack. Introducing the SHINESTAR Upgraded Propane Tank Gauge, designed for a universal fit on your 5 to 20 pounds propane tanks. It's perfect for your barbecue or RV camper, offering easy installation and accurate readings. This gauge fits all QCC1 Type 1 connections and propane tanks from 5 to 20 pounds. It's also ideal for 30 pounds RV dual tanks, ensuring compatibility with most setups. Never run out of gas unexpectedly. It monitors gas levels at 3 different temperatures, clearly indicating when it's time to refill or replace your tank. Crafted from heavy-duty, 100% solid brass, it ensures an airtight connection with your propane cylinders, regulators, and adapters for long-lasting durability. Your safety is paramount. This gauge includes a built-in leak detector to keep you protected from potential gas leaks. Installation is a breeze with the hand-tightening knob. The intuitively colored levels make reading your gas status simple and straightforward. What we like. This one offers a built-in leak detector for enhanced safety. If you prioritize peace of mind and want an extra layer of security against gas leaks, this is a great choice for your barbecue or RV adventures. What people say. The gauge is easy to install and read. It accurately shows the propane level, so I know when to refill. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space. Number 4. GASPRO Universal Propane Tank Gauge. Never guess your propane level again. This gauge offers a universal fit for all your propane tanks, from 5 to 100 pounds. It works with both new and old tank styles. Forget the hassle of lifting and shaking your tank. Our easy-to-read, color-coded dial lets you check your propane level at a glance. Know exactly when it's time to refill. Crafted from 100% heavy-duty solid brass, this gauge is built for durability. Its corrosion-resistant design ensures long-lasting performance in any condition. Get connected in no time. Installation is incredibly simple and takes just about a minute, with no tools required. It's that easy to use. Whether it's your gas grill, RV, fire pit, or heater, this gauge is the perfect companion. It's ideal for a wide range of propane-powered appliances. What we like. Its upgraded universal fit with a POL connection means it works with a wider range of tanks, from 5 to 100 pounds. If you have various tank sizes or an older POL connection, this is the versatile option for your grill, fire pit, or camper. What people say. The gauge indicates green, yellow, or red. When the needle gets down to yellow, it's time to refill. Easy to install, very accurate, and easy to read as well. Well fabricated and good working gauge for your beloved barbecue tank. It saves you from being left with no propane in the middle of your action. Easy to install, no tools required. Number 3. MENSI Propane Gauge Adapter Kit. Don't let old or new propane tanks stop you. This adapter kit brings your existing propane tanks back to life, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. Connect to a wide range of propane tanks, from 5 to 100 pounds. It's perfect for all your propane-powered appliances, from grills to heaters. Keep track of your fuel levels with ease. The color-coded dial provides a clear, at-a-glance indication of how much propane you have left. Get set up in minutes with no tools required. Simply connect it to your tank and you're ready to go, with no hassle. Built with 100% solid brass, this adapter is designed for durability and a secure, leak-free connection. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. The integrated gauge lets you monitor your fuel level without ever having to remove the tank. Know exactly when it's time to refill. What we like. This option comes as a convenient adapter and gauge combo, allowing you to use both old-style POL and new QCC1 tanks. If you're looking to revive older propane tanks or need maximum flexibility with different valve types, this kit is perfect for your diverse propane appliances. What people say. Works great. Doesn't restrict flow. Cumple su function, puedo perfecto a mis tanks de gas y puedo saber cuánto gas lo queda. Number 2. MENSI pole propane hose adapter with temp control gauge. Introducing our upgraded propane tank adapter. It seamlessly converts your old-style pole LP tank connection to work with modern QCC1 Type 1 hoses and regulators. This adapter is designed for 50 to 100 pounds propane cylinders. It's perfect for a wide range of appliances, from gas grills and heaters to smokers and camp stoves. Monitor your propane safely and easily. The built-in gauge detects dangerous leaks and shows your fuel level at a glance with its color-coded dial. Connecting is a breeze. You can easily attach it by hand, no tools required for a quick and convenient setup. Crafted from 100% solid brass, this adapter is built for durability and safety, ensuring a secure and reliable connection without the risk of gas explosion. What we like. This gauge is specifically designed for larger 50 to 100 pounds tanks and features temperature control. If you're a heavy user of propane for larger appliances like turkey fryers or fire pit tables and need precise monitoring, this is the robust solution for you. What people say. The adapter worked well. Used it during the hunting season without issue. An 18mm socket fits around the brass fitting inside the black knob. Once I figured this out, I was able to tighten everything together for leak-free use. This is a simple, effective fitting for the right application. This gadget worked flawlessly. The only thing is that when you connect the bottle and hear the gas transferring, you think it's done once the sound stops, but it still transfers after that. If you take it off, you get a propane bottle that may last a couple uses, but if you leave it on for like an hour, it will fill to almost full level. Number 1. DOZYANT pole propane tank adapter with gauge. Tired of incompatible propane tank fittings? This adapter easily converts your older pole LP tank valve to the newer QCC1 Type 1 connection. It's the simple solution to link your larger tank with modern regulators. Crafted from 100% solid brass, this gauge is built to last. It's designed to resist weather, scratches, dents, and corrosion, ensuring reliable performance. Get connected in minutes without any tools. The hand heel grip makes tightening effortless, allowing for a secure fit every time. Keep an eye on your fuel level without needing to disconnect your tank. This gauge provides a clear reading at a glance. Perfect for RVs, campers, and various propane appliances like grills, heaters, and stoves. It works with 20, 30, 40, or 100 pounds propane tanks. This essential accessory ensures your propane appliances always have the right connection. Enjoy seamless use of your favorite propane-powered gear. What we like. This gauge excels at converting older oil tanks to the newer QCC1 connection, and its solid brass construction is weather-resistant. If you have an older tank and want a durable, easy-to-install solution that can withstand the elements, this is the reliable choice for your RV or grill. What people say. This item worked perfect on the tank. And its gauges work good. Nice little propane gauge. Works well. I put one on all 4 tanks. Great way to see how full your tank is. I keep one on my grill, outdoor heater, and RV. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.